Hello and welcome to my recording of a PD project for a STEM tool and resource. The tool that I'm going to look at is the videos and resources for making STEM come alive. In the UAE, we are noticing an increase in how much we need employees skilled in science, technology, engineering, and math. To maintain global competitiveness, students are required to become more proficient in STEM concepts. Therefore, I have found a list of tools that teachers can use to make STEM come alive in the classroom. These tools help students gain experience with various STEM-related skills, to perform experiments and calculate, to combine technology and engineering to explore abstract concepts, to integrate science and math to build and perform experiments, to walk through various components of scientific thinking when performing experiments, as well as using math, science, and engineering knowledge to research, build, and model. The main tool that I liked that I want to look at is the heat loss project, which is a way for STEM exploration. Let me just click on the video for you to see what that looks like in a classroom. Basically, this is a project-based learning activity. Students are challenged as an engineering challenge and are required to construct. This is combined with iPad technology to demonstrate how energy moves through residential homes, and the unit studies energy conservation. Now, since the concept of energy transfer is pretty abstract, this method shows students about heat energy and thermal energy and how it moves. It relates it to their real life because it focuses on the concept of residential homes. Students work on this project for days and they build their models, they critically analyze their work, they test it, they create different ways in how the model is used, and then they track thermal energy. Throughout the process, there's a lot of reflection. Now, in terms of integration of STEM, the first thing is that heat energy, the concept of heat transfer, is how science is related to this, the STEM concept. For engineering, students design and build models and homes the same way an engineer would. For technology, there's the examination of thermal images and the use of thermal imaging cameras. For math, there's the measuring of heat and using probes and temperatures and organizing and testing the models and accumulating data, and much more than that. Now, the way it connects to their real life experience is that they have to answer the problem. They have to solve the question, how do we make the home more energy efficient? And so this happens through the teacher making it actually more difficult for them to create a completely perfect energy saving home. He actually makes it difficult for them. He leaves the instructions vague for the construction part. He wants them to do a bad job, and the reason he wants them to do a bad job is for them to see that poor construction allows for the tremendous loss of heat energy. This PD would take around 5 to 10 hours of seat time, starting off with a survey and then a mix of in-person sessions as well as hands-on workshops, followed by classroom feedback after teachers have implemented this concept to discuss opportunities, the challenges they faced, and then share ideas so that their implementation of it could become more original. The outcome that I see out of this is for the website to be created for the sharing of resources, plans, and observations. There would be a chance for student feedback as well as talking to experts, and the purpose of this would be to enhance knowledge and establish a peer support network. After the PD itself, I would like for the teachers to have more mindful planning for STEM education and instructional design. They would adjust their learning environments and change their practice, and of course increase the amount of STEM content and pedagogical knowledge. For students, you would see an increase in STEM literacy, 21st century competencies, and STEM workforce readiness, as well as more engagement and interest and making connections with the STEM content knowledge. That's it for my PD proposal. Thank you for watching.